Ain't that about nothing?
Finally, on my way to Aldi's to get some groceries, because if y'all really want to know the truth, I'm gonna be honest with y'all today, or tonight, because it's still, when y'all see this video, it's gonna be tomorrow. Today is Monday, the 12th? He didn't want to buy us no groceries.
It ain't that I didn't want to buy no groceries. I'm always buying groceries. Why she can't buy groceries sometimes? Sheesh. Women now, like, they just can't buy nothing. They want all the men to buy everything. But when we ask them to buy something, it's a problem. No problem with you buying groceries.
Oh, y'all.
Yeah, I'm being real. There's no problem with women buying groceries. There's no problem with women buying you dinner at night when y'all go to dinner.
That's true.
Men don't have to always buy the dinner. Trust me, I don't be embarrassed. I love when a woman buy me some food.
A woman? Y'all,
it's always got to be some nonsense. Because I don't say my wife. She always got to be some nonsense. I said a woman. Period. Yeah.
They can hear you.
Okay, then. I like, you know what I mean? You talking about a woman. You know what I'm talking about? I can slow, man.
Y'all, I did not come on here to be y'all hearing all this screaming.
She acting slow, y'all.
It's real life, though. It's real life. But we are on our way to Aldi's. And I'll show you. I'm not going to show y'all everything. I'll show you tomorrow in a haul. And I'll do a haul for the vegan
because
channel.
we're not finna sit here all day and film everything. I'm trying to get back home and watch my movie.
We know that. All right, y'all. Good morning, guys. Thanks for tuning in to Tea Time. Don't forget.
Give me new oranges you bought?
Make it happen.
Wait, these are new oranges you bought, eh?
Yeah, I just,
Why do you say that?
I don't know. Probably so. Guys, tea time for today would be basically consider your thoughts and don't let your mind play tricks on you. And remember that what you do for people, it is out of, well, it's supposed to be out of pure love. And as long as you're doing that, that's all that matters. Because our credit isn't given like on earth. Everything is perishable, better, because we're going to perish. So everything that we do is considered when we get up here. If there is a heaven, and I do believe there's somewhere we're going to go, where our spirit is going to go.
Believe that?
Yes.
You do?
Yeah. So I believe he's watching us, and we do have to consider what we do, how we do it. Because if you say that you do things out of love or you love somebody, your actions will line up with that. You don't believe that?
Mm-hmm.
Your actions will line up with that. And then too, even if a person makes you upset or do things you don't like, you're still supposed to show love. You don't have to be with them or hang with them or socialize with them, but you're still supposed to show them love. Meaning, like, even if you're not with that person or around that person and somebody's talking about them, you're really supposed to like stop that and say, no, you don't do that. Even though you're not connected to the person, friendship, it doesn't matter what it is. That's still showing love, that you still love them, because you're not letting someone talk about them, no matter what they've done. So we have to be cautious with our thoughts. That's what I was going to say. And yeah, that's all I have for tea time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had your coffee, your orange juice, your milk, your water, your smoothie, or whatever it is that you partake in the morning. But thanks for tuning in for another episode of Tea Time. Bye, y'all. Y'all, guess where I'm at, huh? Yeah.
What's goody?
Y'all, she got bank
I
over
got
here.
some bank. And no, this ain't no stimulus money. We don't live off stimulus here, okay, y'all? But look, though, I need y'all to trap on the corner for me, okay?
Get out. What? No trap here. Yeah.
Call my line. Now let me stop.
She got an emergency. Y'all get one of these.
Oh, yeah.
She got an emergency bank.
This was a Christmas gift from one of my brothers. You put your guns and all that stuff in here. Well, I won't put my gun in here because you're gonna need it. But, yeah, you just put whatever you want. Got keys.
Mm-hmm. Quick.
Yeah.
All right,
But y'all, call my line. All right, call my line.
y'all, she doing, look, she got her little school bag going on. Y'all, I see y'all in a little while. I'm at Planet Fitness with baby girl. I decided to get on this. I haven't been on one of these in a long time. And she is, can y'all see her? Hold on. I'm about to show y'all where she at. I can't zoom in, but she right there. Y'all haven't been on the elliptical in years, but she gonna do it. She gonna try it. I got like 44. I've been on here for a few minutes. Let's see. We're gonna keep going. All right, guys. 100 calories. It's 11 minutes. I'm hot as heck, and I'm about to get off. I don't even think I even burned 100. I burned 104 calories, but if I think about it, it's kind of like I done burned all my little breakfast away, or my lunch. I see you guys later, but that's good for me. Whoa. Hey guys, I'm trying to see if I'm going to be able to. I think I shared with y'all that I was going to do the garden today, the raised bed. Yeah, I said I was going to do the raised bed. I'm trying to see if I'm going to be able to. I'm going to go and see the boys really quick, and then where am I? I got a lady that's coming to the house to get like 5 things that I posted on offer up. So once that's done, I'm gonna see where I'm at, and then Mark and I are supposed to go to Walmart to look for a few things, and depending on what time I get back, will I be able to do the raised beds. So I just wanted to inform you guys, and I'll see you guys momentarily. It's about, I'm trying to think what's the weather here. The weather here in Ohio is about I think 60 today. It looks really, really sunny, but it's chilly. It's really chilly. So that is what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I'm honestly on my way to the house to go and check and see them. So I'll get back with you guys momentarily, okay? Hey guys, it's so quiet right now. Do y'all hear the peace? It's so quiet. I've had a busy day, so I am back now, and hopefully we can get the stuff planted in the raised planter, and also too. Oh, if you guys are new here, or if you're not new here, go check out my other video that I just posted yesterday on Simply Black Vegan. I think you guys will enjoy. I did a large Aldi haul. Nobody intended to spend $90-something on no food. But I did let you guys know that, and I think I showed y'all, we ate majority of all the food in the house. So that's kind of like what it looks like, besides like the little condiments or whatever. But yeah, go check it out. But guys, get into it. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna try to do the best that I can. She has a new hairdo. And I like it. Something real simple, y'all. But guess what? Can y'all see? Guess what though? My head hurts. I have not had braids in my hair like this since I was, let me see. It's been a long time. I'm just gonna say that. It's been a very long time. So just the pulling and all that stuff, and then my ends are wet too. I had to come home and put it in hot water, I think she said, so the ends won't unravel. But yeah, something really simple, neat and straight to the point. Throw on a cap, at night, put on a scarf. But yeah, I really, really like this. And it's 2 different colors. If you can see, we have like a gray color. Yeah, why do we seem so bright today? See if I can turn you down. Okay. We have like a, let me get away from that. We have like a, can y'all see it? Like a brownish, it's the color of my hair. Brown, it's brown and gray. So basically stuck with the colors of my hair. And yeah, y'all, this really hurt. Like way back here, it hurts really, really bad back here. And it hurts, oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm I'm over it. It's hurting. So anyway, yeah, just wanted to let you know I'm home. Check out the channel. It is around, let me see what time it is. Because I think it's like 6. Oh, no, it's 6:45. It is 6:45. And unfortunately, I don't know if Mark's going to be back, but we might not. He called me a little while ago when I was going to see the boys. So he's in another town away from this, a couple of towns away. To do something about his job or whatever. But anyway, we were gonna go to Walmart, but I'm not gonna lie. I don't wanna go. It's too late and I'm tired. I'm like really tired. I'm trying to get these beds to y'all so y'all can see me do this. So hold the line, please. And in the next clip, we're gonna get this stuff done, okay? We're back real quick, but I wanted to show y'all something real quick. Yesterday, I think I told y'all it rained really bad. So my markings on these here are ruined from the water. So what I am gonna do, since we got the clamps on the back, I'm going to write with a black Sharpie marker what they are on the back, but not today. But just wanted to share that with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to bring y'all right here so y'all can see me work. And then I'm going to save this one for the coffee container that I have. So yeah, guys, stay put. Thank you.